Hey guys, if you ever wanted to add something automatically to a Google Doc that then maybe gets sent out to somebody else, well today I'm going to walk you through how to use Doc Appender to create a Google form that automatically updates that Google Doc and then gets it ready for you to send. Let's go. Okay, so give me 60 seconds up on that clock. Here we go. You're going to need four things. You're going to need a Gsuite marketplace extension called Doc Appender. You're going to need a folder in your Google Drive. Inside of that folder, you're going to need all the documents that you are going to want to append with a title, but they can be blank. And then you're going to need a Google form to connect it all. In your Google form, you're going to click on this add extension once Doc Appender is in there, and then you'll launch Doc Appender. What Doc Appender is going to ask you for is what folder you wanted to use that you already set up, what the names of those documents in the folder are. It'll map them for you. And then the questions you have down below will populate. So as somebody fills out your form, they're going to choose the document. For me, it's week number 4, my class. I'm going to choose where those assignments are listed. And then what are the virtual homework assignments? And that's going to be due for me, because we're in a hybrid model, 1 week from the date the students last had me in class. So I select that and I submit it. Now, when I go over to the document, you'll see it populated all that down. If somebody else fills out the document after me, it'll insert a line and their information will be there. All right, guys, so I hope that was helpful. There's all sorts of great 60-second EdTech tips that are coming your way on this channel. Go ahead and click that playlist that's up in the corner. If you have a suggestion or a need for another video, go ahead and throw that down in the comments. But check out all the other videos that we're doing on remote teaching tools, tips for students, tutorials for students on Flipgrid, all sorts of other things. And look, we are always looking for ideas, so feel free to contact us on social media at BaldSci and give us your ideas, your feedback, your comments. I hope you have an awesome day.